Welcome to the Craft channel. We have prepared a special video for you about innovations in agriculture. We will show revolutionary solutions that will improve agriculture and make processes more efficient. Let's start with the new generation of an ingenious autonomous sprayer that effectively treats plants and fruit trees. Let's consider aerial sowing of rice using special aircraft, which makes it possible to sow vast areas, especially in hard-to-reach places. Let's show how a mounted mulcher cleans forest belts. And about many more ingenious solutions that will help you look at this world with different eyes. So quickly subscribe and like so you don't miss more than one interesting video. The Kfast Autonomous Sprayer, developed by Feta and Kubota, is an innovative solution for farmers that is in great demand today. Kfast offers autonomy, remote control, smart AI system, cost-effectiveness, efficiency and uninterrupted operation. This unit radically changes the approach to treating fruit trees with pesticides and other tasks on the farm. Kfast is equipped with an artificial intelligence system that includes sensor cameras. Thanks to AI, which detects the position and shape of trees, the volume of pesticides sprayed is optimized in real time based on the collected data. This reduces pesticide consumption and environmental burden, as well as reducing exposure of farm workers to pesticides. Kfast operates autonomously using cameras and sensors to reduce the number of workers involved in the pesticide spraying process. This eliminates the need to hire skilled workers and ensures precise dosing of pesticides, which helps reduce production costs. The 4x4 traction system ensures smooth driving, precise turning and precise positioning of the Kfast. Current treatments are monitored and displayed on Feta's Digital Agronomic Management Platform, SCP. In addition, Kfast sends alerts in the event of an incident or out-of-range parameter, including empty atomizer and diesel tank detection for autonomous return for refueling. Aerial rice seeding is an innovative technology in which rice is planted using specially equipped aircraft such as airplanes or helicopters. This method allows large areas to be planted effectively, especially in hard-to-reach or sparsely populated areas where traditional farming methods cannot be applied. In aerial sowing, an airplane or helicopter flies at low altitude over the crops, scattering rice seeds using special equipment. Seeds are evenly distributed over the surface of the earth or water, which provides optimal conditions for their germination and subsequent growth. Aerial sowing of rice has a number of advantages, such as high speed and efficiency, which allows you to quickly sow large areas, which is especially important when planting time is limited. The use of aircraft reduces the need for labor and agricultural machinery, resulting in savings and lower costs. Aerial seeding can be used where traditional seeding methods are not possible or ineffective. Air seeding technology can be easily adapted to different conditions and requirements, making it a versatile tool for agriculture. However, air sowing of rice also has some disadvantages, such as dependence on weather conditions and the need to use special equipment and trained personnel. However, this technology continues to develop and is increasingly used in agriculture around the world. Powerful, high-performance DFD225 mulchers, created by the Spanish manufacturer DMC Cancel-A, are designed to perform tasks such as cleaning power lines, forests, roadside areas, forest belts and agricultural land. TFD225 mulchers require a 360 horsepower tractor to provide high performance at 1000 RPM rotor speed. Equipped with replaceable counter knives, automatic centering of the cart end shaft and the function of installing hydrodynamic couplings to protect the tractor. The engineers have introduced all the advanced innovations and philosophies to achieve the highest performance of DFD mulchers. They are made of high-strength strengths and hard-ox steels, which guarantees their reliability and durability. The US 340 trailed fertilizer spreader is the latest equipment from the Danish company Samson, specially designed for uniform distribution of manure and other solid organic matter in the fields. US 340 is a universal 3-axle spreader with a volume of 40 cubic meters and a low loading height. The Spreadmaster 8500 control system provides complete control over the machine and its operation, ensuring precise dosing and optimal distribution of fertilizer across the fields. Engineers have introduced the best innovative solutions, making the farmer's work simple and clear. Over the 75 years of its existence, Samson has gained trust and popularity among farmers by offering innovative solutions to improve soil quality and increase yields. Trailed disc chains. Butte discs are agricultural implements that are used for cultivating the soil before sowing, as well as for controlling weeds and crop residues. This tool consists of a set of discs mounted on chains and attached to a tractor or other farm equipment. Benefits of using Butte discs: prevents the soil from drying out by creating a protective layer. They level the soil surface, improving the germination and growth of crops. They break up the soil crust, improving aeration and moisture penetration. Effectively control weeds by burying them in the soil to decompose and use as fertilizer. The use of Butte discs. Trailed disc chains allows you to increase the efficiency of tillage and provide better conditions for the growth and development of crops. Self-propelled feed mixer dispenser. Kuhn SPW 22.2CL is a highly efficient agricultural equipment designed for mixing and uniform distribution of animal feed. It is equipped with a powerful 6-cylinder Volvo engine producing 250 horsepower, and has a bunker volume of 22 cubic meters. (160 horsepower) grinding head with replaceable cutters. It is capable of effectively chopping silage, where it is subsequently mixed in a mixer. The driver's cabin is equipped with a Kuhn CCI terminal, which allows you to control feed parameters and create up to 80 types of rations from 15 different components, and is able to remember up to 10 different names of feed batches. With the help of a self-propelled feed mixer, a farmer can create more tasty and nutritious diets for animals, which, in turn, promotes their healthy growth and development. The powerful self-propelled shredder Albach Diamond 2000 is designed for shredding various types of wood and plant waste. It is ideal for use in municipal, forestry, landscaping and other applications where fast and efficient wood shredding is required. The machine is equipped with a powerful MAN diesel engine producing 790 horsepower, providing high performance and low fuel consumption. The shredder can work with wood with a diameter of 15 mm to 60 mm, which allows you to process large volumes of waste with interchangeable knives for different shredding materials. The vehicle has large wheels with deep treads, which provides excellent maneuverability in the most difficult sections of roads. The comfortable cab with good visibility and low noise levels ensures safe and enjoyable operator work. The chopper is controlled using joysticks and a touch panel, which makes work convenient and easy. A crane with a maximum reach of up to 10.1 meters feeds the wood into the chipper, where it is crushed and thrown out through a special tray, which can be directed to the desired location with a feed width of 1,230 millimeters. The Albach Diamond 2000 is a reliable and efficient machine that saves time and effort when processing wood waste, and also helps improve the environmental situation, since the chopped wood can be used as fertilizer or fuel. The Vector Big 3000 sprayer, equipment manufactured by the Italian company Tifone, is a good choice for a farmer who is ready to simplify life not only for himself but also for his flowering garden. The Vector Big 3000 is equipped with a powerful 32-inch diameter twin propeller fan that evenly distributes the spray material, allowing you to effectively spray a wide area of coverage of chemicals at high trees such as citrus, bananas, chestnuts, cherries, almonds, apples, walnuts, and hazelnuts, olives, walnuts, pears, peaches, plums for row crops, in open ground, in greenhouses and other large crops. Thanks to its high-performance 3,000-liter tank capacity and engineered design, the Vector Big 3000 is able to cover large areas in a short period of time, saving time and resources. The Lemken Titan 18V plow is a high-tech agricultural equipment developed by the German company Lemken, specializing in the production of innovative tools for soil cultivation. This plow is designed for deep loosening and turning over the soil, which is an important step in preparing the field for sowing. Main characteristics of the Lemken Titan 18V plow: the number of bodies is 18 pieces with a working width of up to 6 meters and a processing depth of up to 30 centimeters. The plow body is made of high-strength steel and is equipped with a system for adjusting the depth and angle of attack, which allows you to optimize the soil cultivation process depending on its properties and topography. Equipped with a system for automatically adjusting the gap between the bodies, which improves the quality of tillage and reduces energy costs. The plow is controlled using a hydraulic system, which ensures high accuracy and efficiency in operation. The design of the plow makes it easy to attach and detach it from the tractor, as well as quickly change the plow body if necessary. The Lemken Titan 18V plow is ideal for large agricultural enterprises that require efficient cultivation of large areas of soil with high speed and quality. The powerful Kraus SF1000A fruit harvester is equipped with a hopper with a capacity of 250 kilograms, which allows you to deliver the crop directly to the trailer. Kraus SF1000A for fruit picking, equipped with a 20 horsepower Honda engine. The rotating brush cleaning system effectively removes grass and leaves from the harvested fruit, ensuring a clean, quality harvest that is fed to the auger and then loaded into the trailer. The machine is distinguished by excellent quality and innovative technologies, which ensure high harvesting efficiency and cleanliness of the collected fruits even in the most difficult conditions. The automated rice planter is an innovative solution that greatly simplifies the planting process and increases productivity. The device is equipped with a system of racks on which rice seedlings are placed. The integrated mechanism uses special robotic grippers to accurately select each rice seedling from the racks. This process is synchronized with the device's low-power electric motor to ensure efficient operation. Once captured, the rice seedlings are automatically distributed into the prepared soil with intermediate spacing between plants to ensure optimal placement of the seedlings for growth. This simple and unique device greatly improves agricultural efficiency, reduces manual labor costs and ensures higher rice yields through precise control of planting conditions and plant growth. The DJI Agris D40 agricultural drone was developed by DJI for spraying fertilizers, pesticides and planting crops, as well as for scanning and monitoring fields. The drone is equipped with 8 electric motors and propellers, providing high maneuverability and stability in flight. The Agris D40 is capable of carrying up to 40 liters of chemicals, equipped with a 10.5-gallon tank for spraying and an 18.5-gallon spreader capacity for spreading fertilizer and cover crop seed, holding up to 115 pounds of bulk material, allowing you to effectively cover large areas in a single flight. Spraying up to 10 liters per minute, which ensures high processing speed of fields. Thanks to an efficient power supply system, Agris D40 can stay in the air for up to 20 minutes on a single charge. The operator can control the drone at a distance of up to 5 kilometers from himself. The entire field coverage is 40 acres per hour at 2 GPA. Combines mapping, spraying and application functions via remote control and DRTK2 mobile station. The drone is equipped with a high-quality camera and a LiDAR scanner to obtain detailed information about the fields and correctly configure the parameters for spraying and sowing grain crops, such as rice, wheat, barley, oats, buckwheat, etc. DJI offers dedicated software for flight route planning and drone data analysis. The DJI Agris T40 is an effective and innovative tool for increasing productivity and reducing costs in agriculture, allowing you to accurately and quickly apply pesticides, fertilizers and plant crops. Farmers can effectively cultivate and plant large areas, especially in hard-to-reach or sparsely populated areas. The Oxbow 6420 is a highly specialized tunnel harvester designed for harvesting a variety of crops such as grapes, figs, almonds, olives and other fruit trees. This machine is designed to work in fields in difficult terrain on slopes up to 35 degrees. The combine is equipped with a powerful John Deere 4045 turbocharged diesel engine, 173 horsepower. Providing high performance and low fuel consumption. The Oxbow 6420 uses a hydraulic transmission that allows you to smoothly adjust the speed and direction of movement. The combine is controlled using an ergonomic remote control located in the operator's cabin. The combine is equipped with special nozzles and rollers, which is adapted for harvesting various crops with a 3-fan cleaning system. The volume of the harvesting bin is 10 cubic meters. Due to its versatility, this machine can be used to harvest a variety of crops, making it popular among farmers and agribusinesses. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end about the revolution in agriculture, a selection of the most successful agricultural machines. What do you like most about these agricultural machines? If someone drove and operated such machines in agriculture, share your experience. It is important to know about such revolutionary machines. Like, subscribe to the Craft channel and share the video with your friends. See you soon.